There's a guitar scale out there that is essential for you to know about, especially if you're a beginner. Not only will it help you unlock the fretboard and become a better player, but it's also really easy to learn, and you can learn it in less than a minute. And you can play it in less than a second. It's called the chromatic scale, and it's made up of 12 notes. And these 12 notes are the foundation of Western music. They're all we use. So any riff, lick, scale, chord, anything like that is just based on these 12 notes. And it's so important to know the scale, even if you don't care about music theory or anything like that, because knowing these notes will help you understand the layout of the fretboard. Whether you just want to play some power chords around the neck, or you want to start getting into soloing, whatever it is that you want to do on guitar, knowing this scale will help. The easiest way that I found to learn and practice this scale is just using the A string, because then the notes just kind of follow our alphabet. So we've got the open string, which is A. Then going up the frets, we've got A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and then A at the 12th fret. So at the 12th fret it starts to repeat itself. So we've got A, then A sharp, B, and so on. And as I said, if you want to, you can play it all in less than a second. Now you probably noticed that there's two notes there that don't have sharps, B and E. And that's a really important thing to remember when using this scale, and probably the only difficult thing about it, because you don't want to accidentally add in an extra sharp when you're mapping the fretboard, because that'll mess up the pattern. A really handy way to remember this is to be yourself, because B and E are the only ones without sharps, so they're themselves more. It's one of those really dumb music things that will just stick in your head and you won't forget it. Now that you've got the A string mapped out, what I would do is I would just map out all the other strings. So starting with E, we've got E, then F, remember there's no E sharp, F sharp, G, and then so on. You will learn a lot by mapping out these notes yourself. It will start to make the fretboard come to life. And you'll also start to see how the notes relate to each other across different strings, and you'll start to see some patterns. Once you've got that down, it's a really great point to start checking out some other guitar scales. And I'd really recommend starting with the pentatonic scale. I've got a video up here that shows you everything you need to know about it. But it's a really beginner-friendly scale that makes up the basis of a lot of rock and blues music. So you can use it to craft some really cool riffs and solos. So that's the chromatic scale. If you like this video, give it a like to help it reach more people, and feel free to check out some of these other videos that I've got on my channel as well. I've got a lot of beginner and intermediate stuff on here, so I'm sure you'll find something for you. And if you're not already, subscribe for more guitar tips. Thanks.